Good day, our dear guests. Welcome to Sharing Boracay. My name is Charles Vincent Maico, and my position in this hotel is concierge. The responsibility of concierge are greeting guests, customers, manage guest customers complaints, taking messages, managing mail, luggage and deliveries, perform basic administrative, secretarial reception duties, running errands to assist guests, arranging transportation and excursion upon visitor requests. So, let's move on the history of Sharing-La Hotel, Boracay. So, on March 2, 2009, Sharing-La Boracay opened its doors to the world to discover. Its 219 rooms and villas sprawled on a vast 12-hectare land. It is the first and only 5-star international deluxe resort to open on the famed land and the fifth Sharing-La Hotel in the Philippines. Next is room. So we have very different types of room, like deluxe room, deluxe sea view room, premier family sea view room, sea view suites, tree house, villa, 2-bedroom ocean villa, presidential villa, and premier sea view room. So first, we have deluxe room. Room rate $412, 24 for Philippine peso, 24,249. Room size 63 square meters. So next, deluxe sea view room. Room rate $526 for Philippine peso, 30,969. So the room size is 63 square meter, view of trees, glimpse of the sea, private balcony with David sofa, marble bathroom with double vanity, separate rain shower and bathtub, high-speed Wi-Fi. For premier family sea view room, room rate $592 for Philippine peso, 34,854. Room size 67 square meters. Next is premier sea view room. Room rate $541 per Philippine peso, 31,855. It has a room size of 63 square meter. Next is Sea View Suite. Room rate $862 for Philippine peso, 50,751. It has a room size of 127 square meters. A view of Punta Banga Beach, spacious living area with sofa bed, bar and counter stool, marble bathroom with double vanity, separate change shower and bathtub, high-speed Wi-Fi. Okay, next, treehouse villa, room rate $977 Philippine peso, 57,518. Room size 63 square meter, view of Punta Banga Beach, outdoor whirlpool and bath day beds, upstairs living area, downstairs bedroom, sanit bathroom with double vanity, separate change shower and bathtub, butler service for convenience, high-speed Wi-Fi access. Next is two-bedroom ocean villa, room rate $2,179 per Philippine peso, 128,283 pesos. Room size 858 square meter. And last, presidential villa, room rate $3,822 for Philippine peso, 225,010 pesos. Room size 1,727 square meters. Next is facilities. So the hotel has clinic, conference facilities for physical challenge, non-smoking room, safe deposit box, and wireless internet in public area. So next is services. Butler service in villas and sea view suite. Shoe shine service, express check-in and check-out service, foreign exchange service, house doctor call IT butler, laundry and valet service, and postal courier service. So let's move on special offers. Special offers, member online exclusive rate with breakfast Sharing-La Circle. It is included here, daily buffet, breakfast for 2 adults in Vinata Asian Cafe, or up to 4 adults when staying in a 2-bedroom villas. Round trip land and speedboat transfer via Katiklan Airport, high-speed unrestricted Wi-Fi and broadband internet access for only $395 or 23,557 pesos. Next is tourist attraction around Sharing-La. Number 1, Chi The Spa in Sharing-La, Pulka Shell Beach, Funboard Center Boracay, Fish Eye Diver, Golf Fairway and Blue Water Boracay. And number 6 is Greenyard Kite Surfing. So let's move on to possible competitors of the hotel in this area of Boracay. So number 1 is the Lind Boracay, number 2 Aqua Boracay, number 3 the Tide Hotel Boracay, and number 4 Discovery Boracay. So you can contact us through telephone number. Here you can see the telephone number and also our website, which is www.sharingla.com, and Facebook page, which is www.sharingla.com Boracay Resort. Also, you can see here all the information about the hotel. That's all. Thank you.